Hey guys, I'm Kevin. I'm coming back with another video on the Motoglowup LED panel. Here's what it is. So what it is, it comes from Motoglowup. It's an LED matrix panel. Let's see here. Should be a number or something on it. Anyway, it's 16 by 64. Not sure what the number is on it, but anyway, here's the panel. Comes with the panel. Comes with a remote. Comes with sticky tape on both sides. Manual. Then it comes with on and off, which you can't plug it into power. It's got to be plugged into USB port. I think it's under like 2 amps or under 2.5 amps. So what we're doing, you also download the app from the box. Right here, it gets your app for you. And the app it's called LED. So what it does, I mean, it's just something right here, just so say you want some green eyes. I'll make sure I'm connected. Let's see here. Okay, so you got to connect it first. Hit that little plus. Then you connect it. So then you go in the gallery, which you can do a lot with it. And then you can pick which eyes you want. So we'll do these. And as you can see, it's got the eyes, or you can change it to one eye, or I don't know, you can do all kinds of stuff with it. But anyway, I put this up here where you can see as well. You can, so yeah, I guess you can put names on it. Then you can make stuff if you want as well. So we'll go back into the galleries. I like the eyes. So we do now. So what we got to do, we take this tape. Just make sure you got it the right side up. Always check it before you put it on, make sure it's going the right direction. Put this tape around the edge of this. And then we will put it on the inside of the windshield. So you got to make sure that's where you want it, because the tape's pretty sticky, I reckon. So I'll be right back with you. We'll get started. All right, so it's actually called Motoglowup. It was $79.99 after $20.01 discount. Okay. All right, I'll be right back with you. And also, it's called Moto Eyes, Animated Moto Eyes, large. You can see it right there. Okay. There's the website, motoglowup.com. Alrighty. Alright, so the way I'm doing mine is I got this clockwork right in the middle, little emblem. So I'm gonna try to put it right in the middle of it. Still got the plastic on, so it's gonna be a little darker. But when you put that tape on, you can both have a chance to move it. So you got to put it right where you want it. So it should be good right there. Window should be clean. Just use whatever's safe for your window. All right, so I took the plastic off to make sure nothing gets on it. I'll go ahead. Whoop. Camera just don't like sitting there for some reason. Okay. So I'm gonna put the sticky side down. Just gonna be real careful as well. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm gonna pause this because it's gonna be a minute, because I gotta be real careful. All right, so got the tape on, put a little heat on it just to, hopefully it'll do a little better sticking. I may also heat my windshield up as well. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it back in just to make sure that I've got it right side up. Like I said, the only thing I do is just plug it in. Okay, so that's the way it goes, just like it. Okay. So I'm gonna leave the eyes on, that way I can make sure I get it centered. All right, so I've got to, I guess you got to reconnect it all the time if you unhook it. So get it back going, put gallery. We'll do that one. Okay. All right, so now once we get this done, okay. Now this here's gonna be the hard part. Trying to adjust it. All right. Excuse me. So, like I said, starts probably about the middle. That's gonna be hard to line up right there. All right. So I'm gonna try to throw a little heat on the windshield, take the tape off, and hopefully it'll be good. As long as I don't do something to the windshield. All right. Throw a little heat on it. Not sure if that's enough, but I should have took all this stuff off, I guess. Just don't know how good that tape is. All right, I'll be back with you. Let me take this tape off. Whoops, sorry guys, I thought I had y'all recording, but it may be a little crooked, I can't tell, but it's gonna have to work. So that's what it's gonna look like. Be pretty cool at night anyway. Maybe be able to sit in the daylight. Like I said, it's very difficult, so you gotta be careful with it. All right guys, I got it done. So, let's see here. So there's what it looks like. I know it's kind of, I'm not really pick it up real good. And if you do get one, be careful when you wash it because it could get that inside the circuit board. Let's see here. It does all kinds of stuff. That's pretty cool. Let's see. It's better for your eyes to see it in the camera, I guess. Let's see here. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff. I mean, it's got all kinds. Alrighty, now I just got to figure out where to run the wires because they're long wires. So I'm going to try to run it in through the port here that's actually got the USB port. And I want to bring all the wires from down here, I guess. So hang tight and I'll be back with you and I'll let you know how I'm going to do it anyway. All right, guys, so the way I'm doing mine for now is I'm just putting these clips here on mine, run it around. I think I like to have a bigger LED panel. I'll run it right down through here and it'll come out right there. And I'm just going to run it around and back behind inside through here, through there. And it'll come back in through here as well. So right here, it should come out in the back of it if I get it around it. All right, be right back. All right, guys, so what I did is I run it. Let's see here. So what I did is I run it through here, and then that way, so you can't even really see it here. The other part's right there. So that's where it goes down at. And that's all it is right here. All right, guys, if you got any questions, just ask them. And if I don't know the answer, I'll find out and get back with you. All right, that's the Motoglowup lights. Like I said, you know, it's pretty cool. I wish I got the bigger set. Because as you can tell, I mean, you can see them, but they need to be a little bit bigger. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.